Welcome to a Genesis Project podcast on postgraduate admissions, how to view an application as an assessor using my.tcd.ie. A new student system, SITS eVision, is currently being implemented in Trinity College. One of the functions of the new system is to manage online postgraduate applications. The aim of this podcast is to show both primary and secondary assessors how to view an application in my.tcd.ie. Each course has one primary assessor and can have multiple secondary assessors. Primary assessors make recommendations to the Graduate Studies Office on the advice of secondary assessors. Only primary assessors can make recommendations. Please contact the Graduate Studies Office if you need to be set up as a primary or secondary assessor. In general, assessors are set up for a full academic year and do not change. Let's look at the following as a primary assessor: accessing the new SITS system, viewing current applications in SITS. So enter my.tcd.ie into your web browser. To log into the portal, type my.tcd.ie into the URL field at the top of your internet browser and press return. Then enter your username and password into the username and password field and click log on. Once logged into the portal, new applicant messages will appear in the centre of the home page. These are messages that have not yet been opened or actioned in any way. Other applicants can be viewed on the right-hand side of the screen using the applicant lookup. A primary assessor will receive an email notification for new applicants and other items. These email notifications can be turned on or off at the bottom of the home page. To review an application, just click on it. To view existing applications, use the Applications to be Actioned or Applicant Lookup functions. Details of each application can be viewed, including comments from secondary assessors. As in this example, our last two applications have comments from Mary Coordinator, who is a secondary assessor on this course. We will now look at how the secondary assessor views applications. The secondary assessor logs into the portal my.tcd.ie in the same manner as the primary assessor, using their username and password. Similar to the primary assessor, all new applications are viewed as messages in the centre of the home page. The only difference between the primary and secondary assessors are that the primary assessor can make direct recommendations to the Graduate Studies Office, whereas the secondary assessor, when they make recommendations, it will go to the primary assessor. How to process an application and make recommendations to the Graduate Studies Office will be the subject of a further podcast. All podcasts from this series and other user notes and training material are available online on the Genesis Project website. For support, please contact the following. Operational processes should be directed to the Graduate Studies Office. System support should be directed to the SAS User Support Unit. And for all other inquiries, the Genesis Project team. This concludes this podcast from the Genesis Project team on postgraduate admissions, viewing an application as an assessor using my.tcd.ie.